How's it going, everybody? James, Online Car Show. Got a mod today for the Focus ST. So without hesitation, let's go ahead and get this video started. All right, well, I've got a much needed mod today for the Focus. The headlights on it aren't currently working, so I think it's the controller inside the headlight, plus the mounts for the headlights are kind of beat up from a wreck that happened before I bought the car. So I got these shipped in from Amazon. We're gonna take a look. The reviews seem good on them and see how they work out and if this actually fixes the problem I have with it, but we'll see. I want to give a shout out to Fast Cars Matter. I got one of their hats and it is just awesome quality. Y'all aren't aware of them, you know, search for Fast Cars Matter. If you're on Instagram, it's Fast Cars Matter USA. Go check out their hats. They've got all different styles, shapes, trucker hats, you know, the old beat up look. And they also have Fast Trucks Matter too, if you're into the truck thing. But let's go ahead and start the unboxing and see what we got here. All right, it's going to be a little difficult to get a shot because of how high up it is off of the surface of the desk, but I'm going to do my best here and we can see what we got in this box. Oh, we use an X-Acto knife. Let's see what we got here. Do notice the made in China on the side. Packaging seems pretty good. Now these are for a 2017 Ford Focus ST. I ordered smoked lenses and they're halo lights. So they're a little bit different in style than the stock ones. I'm hoping they look pretty good. They were actually about the same price as the don't want to let that fall too hard. Got the controller unit here. I'll have to mount up in there. And the lights themselves, can't really see them yet, but look pretty good so far. These go on real easy, just plug and play. So let's get them thrown on the car. All right, well, I apologize about the background fan noise. My neighbor's AC is right there, and it is super hot in Houston right now, so you'll just have to bear with me a little bit here. We've got the headlight here, 2017 Ford Focus. I believe it's the same 15 through 18. You'll see two large screws here. You can either use an Allen key, or that may be a star, but or a flathead screwdriver, a large one. Take out your two screws. It probably is a pretty good idea. I went ahead and disconnected the battery for this installation. And as you can see, it's kind of beat up here on this car, so that's one of the reasons we're replacing it. Gently take them out. You'll see a connection on the back. It'll have a little tab underneath it you'll need to pull out, and then it should simply pop right off. There's your connector. We'll go ahead and get the new one on and see what it looks like. All right, to do this, you want to go ahead and leave the front cover on the headlight just to protect it from being scratched. It's going to have a separate box here with some headlights that are aftermarket. We're going to want to stick that in somewhere. I'm not quite sure where, so we'll do a fitment here and then take a better look. Right now, I'm just going to balance it in there, and just so we can see where it lays. All right, so it looks like we can probably mount it underneath the support bar. It's got double-sided tape. You really should clean it with alcohol first, but I'm gonna stick it on there and hope all goes well. I've already cleaned this car's underhood pretty good, so stick it up there, hold it for a minute, real tight. Make sure you got a good snug fit. I think we're good. So we want to pull back a little bit of the cover so we can access it afterward and plug back in our stock connector. Finally, the AC goes off. Sorry if y'all can't see this. I'll show y'all what I did real quick. Mounted this up underneath the support bar. Now only thing I'm doing is taking our connector, plugging her back in. Make sure you got a good snug fit, a little clip noise. And move back this plastic covering a little bit. We can access it afterward. And put her in. Looks like we got a good fitment. Put back this cover a little bit. Tighten her down. All right, get her tightened down. Let's see, it fits good. Yeah, that'll work. Putting your front screw first, it looks like, with how this works. And then kind of pivot it into the last screw, or the back screw. Yep. Well, that's one. Let's see what she looks like. All right, tighten it down a little bit on that front. Pretty cool. Get the other side on and then we'll do a test.
5 minutes later.
It's all the way off, I guess. This should be halos. There we go. All right. Now that I got my headlights working, I'm learning my headlight switch. So there's just the halos. I think they look pretty cool how they angle and stuff. I think these were about $338 on Amazon. Decent price. They came smoke lens with the halo lights, headlights, xenon, just like, or HID xenon, just like the stock. So I'm gonna give them a try for a couple days, and I'll let y'all know in the comments if I have any dislikes. But let me know what y'all think. Well, there you have it, real easy install. I think they turned out great. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And I'll be adding some video here shortly of car show coming up this weekend I'll be at, which is at Traders Village. I think it's called Dreamfest 3. And there's a bike and car show the following day on Sunday. Both are for cancer, so they're for a good cause. Be sure to check my Instagram and website for details on those shows. So be sure to check back, and I've also got many more mods on the way for both cars. And thank you all for watching. Have a great week.